Hello everyone, welcome back to the Easy Solo channel. I have a 2015 Toyota Camry with a 2.5 4-cylinder, I believe a 6-speed automatic transmission. It needed a brake job. You can see I chucked off the wheel already. So I'm going to start from the wheel first because I don't know, I just feel based on the rotor, it's just like so much scratch on it. So first thing first, I need to jack up the wheel. So I chuck the front wheel on both sides and I put the jack underneath, and then that's the supporting area. Alright, time to give it a pump and then put a jack stand on it. Yeah, if you don't have like a power tool, so loose up all the nut nuts before you jack up the vehicle. Alright, so here's the where I'm going to put my jack stand, and then put a piece of plywood and then a piece of 2x4 and his jack stand, same thing on the other side. And then lower your car slowly and then go back and make sure like the jack stand is secure. So give a shaky test. It is good. And then let's check another side. Yep, it's all good. I'm going to lift the jack like this, just touching the support. So it's like an extra security. Alright, so now loose all the nut. Alright, got it. Okay, so I need to remove this caliper. Let's see, have a 14mm on the top, 114mm on the bottom. Okay, it's good, it's loose. Alright, got it. Alright, don't lose it. I believe there's an 8mm. It is. So let's crack loose. It is good. Alright, so loose up like a 2 14mm caliper bolt. Same length, same size, which is good. No confusion. Alright, so let's take it out. Wow, this thing like fully extend almost. Okay, that's good. So let's put a piece of wire and then I put in the struck spring, put a couple like twists. So now secure and then like no tension on the line, which is good. So check the boot, make sure it's like a no crack, nothing. I don't know why it's almost fully extend properly. Like wow, the pad is pretty seized up there. Yikes. Okay. Maybe I should take out the caliper since I need to replace the rotor anyway. So I have a 2 17mm bolt in the back, one here, one at the bottom here. Yeah, 17mm with a long breaker bolt will do the job. Alright, speed up the process. Alright, here's another one. Now the brake has slide out. Wow, look at this pad right here. Is that the guide pin? Yeah, the guide pin's like pretty much seized. Now it's good now. It was seized up. Okay, now it's good. Maybe too fully extend. Yeah, now it's good. See, it bouncing. But I will pull it out and then like re-lube it. Alright, let me take off the old pad. Okay. Can I? Okay. Look at this. Like nothing left. Wow. Wow, this one seized up. Okay, it's good. Yeah, this side's okay. Still not a whole lot left. Almost touching the indicator. Back to the rotor. So the emergency brake's not applied. If I cannot take it out. But since I'm going to remove it, I'm going to use a hammer to bang it out. Alright, it's good. Oh, don't forget, keep this plug because the new rotor don't come with this plug. Yeah, keep this plug because the new rotor don't have that. Press the piston, but before I do that, I want to clean it with some brake cleaner. Yeah, like so much like brake dust there. I will say get like a 3x inner diameter tubing, and then have a catch bottle. Okay, here's the trick I learned from like Eric the car guy. So grab like a needle nose plier with some like a fuel lines. You can buy the fuel line from like an auto parts store, and then just grab it. So now it should just when I compress the caliper piston, the fluid just come out here, not pushing back to the I don't know, ABS module or the master cylinder. And now I can crack open the bleeder valve. And grab like the old pad. And I like to use a C-clamp. That's what I have. Yeah, now like a brick fluid coming out from the tube. Yeah, once I keep cranking on the C-clamp, I think I bottom out. So now I can make it tight. It's good, it's snug. And I'm gonna take off the tubing. And then release the hose line. Yeah, it's back, like the rubber hose back to the normal shape. So now I can remove the C-clamp. Oops, of course, drop. But it looked nice. the boot is flow inside. And now a little bit more brake cleaner to clean it up. And then can do the installation. I need to get a wire brush to clean up all the crust. Yeah, try to stay away from the boot. Don't tore it. Okay. Alright, the next one is, let's remove the brake hardware. Wow, it is really in there. Woo! So much cross. I don't know, maybe spray some brake cleaner might help. Help as lubrication, I guess. Well, it does. Alright, so that's one piece. Here's another piece. Same thing. Spray some brake cleaner on it. There's another piece. I need to use a wire brush to clean up all this rust. Remove the pin, the slide pin, so give a twist. Peel back from the boot and slide out. Well, that's nice. It's easy to slide out. So the grease still look decent, but don't have a lot. So clean this up. And now go ahead to use some like brake grease. Alright, just pack one there. Now I can slide it back. Give a turn. And then now we can push it back, and now it's back in there, so it's good. Just give it a little turn, make sure it's free to move. Yep, I pull it, it bounces back. I push it, it bounces back. That's what I want. It's good. Now it's another side, same thing. Peel back from the boot, take out the pin. Oh, this side's a little bit darker. It's fine. Clean it. Pack it with grease. Some brake grease. Should be good. Push it back. Give us a little bit turn. And make sure not all the way in. Alright, now it is. Alright, it's good, it's free. Alright. Alright, the bracket cleaning is done. We loop the pin. Now, just dust free. Kind of. That's good enough. When it's dry, so before waiting, let clean the rotor. So put it backward. This is like a special coated one. It should not have like oil to protect the rust, but just in case, I'm going to clean it anyway. Make sure it's like grease free. Now you can put it backward, put it in proper positions. And then same thing, clean it a little bit. Alright, there we go. But before I do that, I forgot to clean up here. Alright, and then put some anti-seize on it. It's easier to take off next time. All right, that's good. Put the brake on. All right, the rotor's on. That's good. The brake I bought, it came with like the hardware, which is nice. So make sure I grab the one same as the old one. Yeah, they look identical. So I can just push it in, I guess. Alright, the brake is on. Well, the hardware I should say. Now go to the brake pad and install this like a indicator thingy. Just like this. Seems like it. Well, the brake kit gave me 4 of this. I think 2 per side. Okay, it's good. It's good. So now I can install the bracket. Okay, get the top bolt in, and then I'll get the bottom one in. Start it by hand. Alright, and then now we can torque it down to 58 foot-pound. Let's double check the top one. Good. check the bottom one. That's good. Now I can install the pad. So I put like a little bit of grease, just like at like the corner where the pad will touching the hardware. That's it. Don't put too much. Because you want to like jam the. Another pad. Alright. This is good. So now I can get my caliper. I just put a little bit brake loop around the ring of the piston where like I touching the brake pad. Just a little bit and a little bit on the back here. That's where touching a little bit here too. So it should look like this. Alright, now I should be able to push it in without fighting it. It's good. And then now I can install a caliper bolt. And the bottom one. Now I can torque it down to 25 foot-pounds. It's good. Oh, make sure the bleeder screw is tight. Yep, it's tight. I can put the cap back on. Don't forget to put on the wheel. Now I'm going to move into another side. Do the same process. Yeah, this size look better, like the pad thickness is equal. So maybe have a stuck slide pin on another side, the driver side. No, the passenger side. This side of a best sliding pin is stuck. Alright. Clean the hardware surface, and now I need to do the pin. Oh, this side is much like a, well, maybe like a lack of lubricant. Alright, clean off some old stuff and put on some new stuff. Probably pack a lot of them. That should be good enough. Oh yeah, much better. Oh, yeah, a bit too old, maybe not enough lube. Same thing, put a lot on it. It's good. Let's see what I did last time. I pushed the both end in first and then press the front. Get the hardware in. Alright, I think it looks good. Okay. Alright, now I can install the bracket. Got one bolt here, and then the bolt somewhere here. Yep. And 58 foot-pound. This might be the inner pad. Put the indicator on. That's probably the outer pad. This. Yep. And then same thing, put a little bit of grease just at the tab. Okay. Alright, that's the inner pad, same thing, just a little bit on the edge. Alright. Lower the caliper and apply a little bit grease around like the piston, a little bit on the back of this caliper, and it should be good. And it should just slide in. Yep. Install the caliper bolt. Alright, and then torque it to 25 foot-pound. Alright. That's good. And then make sure the bleeder valve is tight. Well, just snug, you don't be like super tight. That's good. Put the dust cap back on. There you go, the rear brake is done, and then the only thing left is install the tire. Back on, now I can lower the vehicle and then torque the knock nut to 79 foot-pound. I now get in the car, pump the brakes until like you feel the brake is like firm. And that's good. And then go start the vehicle and then feel the brakes again. And let's start the vehicle. Pump the brakes. Okay, it feels pretty good. So now the only thing left is like right here. I'm going to do like this, they call it like a brushing. So they want like to put some like a pad material onto the rotor. So you find like a nice straight roll, not that many cars on it. Yeah, so like now the new rotor I pick have this like a protecting coating. Once it's done, you should see like a shiny like a metal surface. Alright, I will go and hit the road, follow the brake brushing procedure, and then like we talk later. Back, it's looking good. So here's the shiny metal, and then here's like the protective coating, which is where the brake pad content. So here's the procedure. So I perform like a 30 deceleration from 30 miles per hour to 5 miles per hour, and then leave like a 30 seconds in between for the cool off. Yeah, so find like a quiet row and then do the brake pad brushing process. I thank you guys. Thank you for all the support, and then like if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment, and then if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.